What's up, Ryker owners? Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our LED license plate mount for the Can-Am Ryker. Once again, we partnered up with the team over at Hypnotic Concepts to bring you guys a bolt-on LED license plate mount to accentuate the tail end of your Ryker. This license plate mount is constructed from aluminum and powder coated with a black satin finish to complement your Ryker body panels, and features a plug and play LED light that illuminates the word Ryker when your ignition's turned on, which will add a custom look to the rear end of your bike while providing you with a daytime running light that's sure to increase your likeliness of being seen while out on the open road. Now, this mod is also compatible with our Toughskins license plate frame, our Trick LED center LED reflector, as well as our LED side reflector kit. So now that you know what this mod is and what it can do for you, allow me to walk you through the installation process on one of our shop Rykers. Start by unscrewing this T30 Torx screw, followed by your 4 factory license plate screws so they can remove your license plate and side reflectors. Then lift this cover up and off, just enough to access and unplug the 2 wires connected to your factory license plate light. Next, use a T15 Torx to unscrew and remove that factory license plate light. Then be sure to add a little dielectric grease to the ends of that new harness. Before plugging it into the back of the factory license plate light. Now take that plastic top cover and insert the factory license plate wires in through the opening from the back side of the cover. And then plug the red wire into the other red wire we just plugged into the light, followed by the black wire. Then feed all the wires back through the opening on that cover and reattach the license plate light, making sure not to over tighten. And then reattach that plastic cover, leaving only one of the plugs hanging out the bottom. The other 2 plugs can be used for other mods you may decide to add later down the road. Next, take the new LED plate and plug it into that connector we left hanging out the bottom, and then mount it up to the bike along with the side reflectors behind it, inserting the new screws into the 4 furthest outside holes on the bracket, finger tight to start. Before going back through and tightening them down the rest of the way, making sure not to over tighten. Now turn on your ignition to test the LED, and if everything looks good, you can use the 4 remaining screws to mount your license plate up to the bike, going through the 4 inside holes on the bracket. And reinstall that Torx bolt on the underside of the center panel next to your license plate light. And that's all there is to it, folks. So if adding an LED license plate mount to your Can-Am Ryker is on your mod list, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today, or click the link in the description below to grab one for yourself. And don't forget to smash that like button Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.